Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 13, and name of the chapter 13 is the water. Name of the chapter 13 is the water, and I told you water is our basic need, and we can't live without water. And water is used for different things, just like different purposes, just like the washing, cooking, bathing, and for many other purposes. Plants and animals too need water to live. And you can see that sources of water. So rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water, and you can see that it falls from the clouds, and when it rains the water fills up rivers, lakes, streams and ponds. Some rainwater goes deep into the soil, and this is called the underground water. Water supply. In big towns and cities, water comes in most homes through taps, and water from a source such as a river or lake is cleaned and stored in big tanks. From tanks, it is supplied to our homes through pipes and taps. So in last topic I discussed about the water, and I told you water is used for many purposes, just like washing, cooking, drinking, bathing, and for different purposes. And plants and animals also need water to live. Without water we can't live, and plants and animals also can't live without water. So water is very important. And you know that what is the sources of water? Rain is the main source of water. Rain is the main source of water, and rain from where it falls? From the clouds. It falls from the clouds, and after raining the water goes to the rivers, lakes, streams and ponds. And some rainwater goes deep into the soil, and those rainwater goes deep into the soil. That water is called the underground water. That water is called the underground water. And water supply. So you can see that in the big towns and cities, water comes in the most home through the taps. It comes most home through the taps, and after that water from a source which such as river or lake is cleaned and stored in big tanks, and from the tanks it is supplied to our homes through the pipes and taps. And in the small towns and villages, people also draw underground water by digging wells and hand pumps. And in the small town and in the villages you can see that underground water you can see that by the digging wells and hand pumps. And farmers draw underground water through the tube wells, just like a hand pump you can see, and tube well also you can see. So this is the hand pump. You can see this one, page number 54. And then now come to the next topic. All water is not safe to drink. You know that all water is not safe because it contains different kinds of germs, and when you will take that water, then you will suffer from the different kinds of diseases. So it is better first you will boil, then you can filter it, then only you can take that water. If water is not means if water is not just like water in rivers and lakes, it contains the harmful substances, germs, and such type of water is called the impure water, and such type of water is called the impure water. Means water is not pure, water is not clean. And if water is not clean, then first you should boil and then filter it, then you can. Because why we are boiling the water? Because boiling kills the harmful substances. If it contains germs, then boiling it kills the germs. And when you have to filter it, then water is clean and you can take that water. So all of you take revision till here.